Hey YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. Today's review is on the Triumph Daytona 675R. So apart from the Japanese and the Italians, the British give the Triumph for their bikes, and this one is the Daytona 675R, as you can see. So let's go through the technical aspects of this bike. So first let's check out the wheels. So the wheels are 17-inch wheels and they come with lightweight alloys, and as you can see you have a floating disc which is around 310 mm, and they also have Brembo brakes, which is a monoblock with 4 pistons on them. The suspension is Olin suspension and they are in the upside down position, so for better handling characteristics. And as part of the Daytona R package, you get carbon fiber tips in the front and in different parts of the body. So over here you'll be able to notice the mud guard, which is made out of carbon fiber. The 675R also comes with ABS, which can be switched on or switched off, and also you have the setup to change it to race mode also. So once you take it to the track, you can change it to the race mode. Going down to the engine. The engine is a 3-cylinder, inline 3-cylinder engine, which is of 675 cc. It produces 116 bhp at 12,305 rpm and has a torque number of 74 Newton meters at 11,900 rpm. The engine has a shorter stroke but a larger bore. So what this helps is that it gives a lot of mid-range power. The engine is liquid cooled and it has double overhead camshafts, and they also have titanium valves. And again, while checking at the rear, you have a Olin suspension at the back, which is adjustable, so it can be adjusted as per your convenience. And as you can notice, there is another carbon fiber strip over there, so which is used as a mud guard, so which comes again only in the 675R. You get the same Brembo disc brakes at the back too, which is a monoblock again. The bike on the whole just weighs 189 kilograms, so this helps in taking corners easily and controlling the bike very much more easily. And because they also have a short wheelbase, it gives better controls on cornering. So now let's check out how she sounds. So that's it from me, guys, on the review on the Triumph Daytona 675R. I would like to thank Gear Motorcycles Bangalore for having me here and letting me have one of their bikes for the review. So they take care of anything regarding motorcycles over here in regards to service and accessories, everything as such. I'll put in their information on the description box below. So I'll see you guys in another video with another vehicle. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and share. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.